Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. Ready to turn your text into wild, vibrant jungle art? Let's dive in. Click the Create button to start a new project. Next, choose the Presentation option from the available templates. Click on Presentation to select it. This will open a new presentation file, ready for you to begin editing. To create the jungle effect, first, add a new text layer to your project. Next, select the text tool and click on the canvas. Type Jungle Bug into the text box. Make sure the text is clear, as we'll apply effects to it in the following steps. Next, select the first text element and change its font to your preferred style. Then, select the second text element and update its font as well to maintain visual consistency. Next, create a new size parameter for this object. Set its value, then add 4 elements to the list. This ensures the structure is ready for further customization or data input in the following steps. Click the option below to begin removing the background from your image. Start by selecting the background layer that you want to erase. Now delete this layer to remove the current background. Let's review the image to confirm the background has been deleted. If you still see areas of the original background, use the eraser tool to carefully remove any remaining sections. Adjust the size of the eraser brush for more precise control while working around the edges of your subject. Next, try another background removal option. Click on the Remove Background button to let the software automatically detect and delete the background. Check the results to ensure the main subject remains intact while the rest of the background disappears. If necessary, swipe to remove the background, select your image, then click the Remove Background button. The tool will automatically detect and erase the background, leaving only your subject visible on the canvas. Click on the block labeled Can Blue to select it. Once selected, notice the options that appear on the screen. Now, let's try adjusting some settings for this block. Look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear or 3 dots next to the block's name. Click it to open the menu. In the menu, find Edit Name and select it. Type your new name for the block and confirm your changes by clicking Save. The block should now display the updated name. Repeat this process for any other blocks you'd like to rename. Changing block names helps keep your workspace organized and easy to navigate as you work. Next, we'll add the background element to our project. To do this, locate the Layers panel and select the layer designated for the background. If there isn't already a background layer, create a new one by clicking the New Layer icon at the bottom of the panel. Double check that this layer is positioned at the bottom of the list to ensure your background appears behind all other elements. Now, choose the Rectangle tool from the toolbar. Click and drag across the canvas to create a rectangle that covers the entire workspace. With the rectangle selected, go to the Properties panel and adjust the fill color to your desired background color. For example, you can select a solid color, gradient, or even use an image fill depending on the look. To add lighting and effects to your project, begin by navigating to the Effects panel. This is typically found in the Workspace sidebar or accessible through the main menu, depending on your software. Once there, locate the file you want to enhance. Print out or export your file if you need a hard copy for reference, but for digital editing, ensure your file is open and active in the workspace. Next, within the Effects panel, look for the section labeled Lighting or similar, depending on your software. Browse through the available lighting presets or effects that suit your project's needs. Click on the desired lighting effect to preview how it appears on your file. Adjust the parameters using the available sliders or input boxes. To duplicate the item, select it from the list, then click the Duplicate button at the top of the page. A new copy will appear directly below the original, ready for you to edit or move. Click the Menu button in the top right corner to open the main settings. From this menu, select Preferences to access your customization options. Scroll down to the Display section, then find and click on Theme. Here, you can browse the available color themes. To apply a theme, simply select it from the list. The interface will immediately update with your chosen look. If you want to revert back, repeat the steps and pick the original option. Adjusting the theme helps personalize your workspace and improve visual comfort. Click the Share button, then select Download. In the Download options, choose the print setting to ensure the highest quality for printed materials. Once selected, confirm your download and your file will be ready. You just learned how to create an awesome jungle text effect in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.